Hey nerds and science enthusiasts. Ever wonder what's really cooking in a chemistry lab? Forget the blue meth of Breaking Bad, don't try that at home, seriously, because real chemistry is full of fascinating facts that are way cooler and way safer. Sure, Walter White might have been a whiz at synthesizing questionable substances, but true chemistry is about understanding the world around us, from the food we eat to the clothes we wear. Did you know that the simple act of baking a pizza involves a complex series of chemical reactions? The yeast breaks down sugars, releasing carbon dioxide gas that makes your dough fluffy. And how about that light bulb moment? It's not just a metaphor. Incandescent light bulbs work by heating a filament until it glows, a process called incandescence. The hotter the filament, the brighter the light. Remember those yummy, colorful candies you loved as a kid? The vibrant hues often come from natural pigments called anthocyanins, found in fruits and vegetables. Chemistry explains why a blueberry muffin is blue and a strawberry lollipop is red. And who knew water, the most basic molecule, could be such a firefighting hero? Water extinguishes flames by absorbing heat and creating steam, effectively taking the fuel, heat, away from the fire. See? Chemistry is everywhere, even in the most unexpected places. So next time you're baking cookies, switching on a light, or enjoying a sweet treat, remember the amazing science happening behind the scenes. Stay curious, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite fun fact about chemistry. Until next time, keep exploring the world of science.